Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching The Hungry Wok, and today's video we are gonna be cooking what we call spaghetti. But this time my spaghetti is a different version because it's super creamy and cheesy. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung ways of cooking it. Alright, so there's a lot of ingredients that I have incorporated with this pasta. That's why my family loves it, and every person who tried my spaghetti would always say, "Oh, really? Sobrang creamy." Parang ito, ganon. Creamy lang talaga. But then anyway, yeah. Guys, let's continue. So, maghihiwa muna tayo ng sibuyas, bawang, and then cheese. Madaming cheese. Tapos maglalagay na tayo ng mantika sa wok. Igisa natin yung sibuyas. Ilagay ang bawang. Ihalo lamang. Then, ilagay natin ang ground beef. Mixed. Lagay natin ng paprika. Pepper, of course, ground pepper. Kanina isang powder pepper. Ngayon naman, lalagyan natin ground pepper, and then lalagyan na natin ng thyme. Chili para may kick. Para yung ex mo lang, kailangan may kick. Siniloko ka.
Bakit ganyan na inaasal mo?
Then
ano
next
mo sa buhay?
Lalagyan natin siya ng seasoning. Fish sauce. Patis. And then of course, another magic sarap or seasoning. And then ihalo na natin ngayon yung mushrooms. Isang kind of mushroom lang yan, guys. So, itong serving na to is good for 10 people. And then, add natin yung sliced hotdog. Kasi spaghetti will be boring kung walang hotdog, di ba? Parang ikaw, boring ka kung walang hotdog.
Alas man buha nga mo, ha?
Kilala kong kaliskis
natin
mo,
yung hotdog.
oy.
Isa. Let's just keep on searing it. And then, my secret, I added a fresh milk. And then, cheddar cheese, shredded. More cheddar cheese. Halo lang natin. Hanggang sa maging super creamy. And I've added a cream cheese. Mura lang ito yung cream cheese, guys. Nabibili lang ito sa suking tindahan. Charot! You just have to mix it. And then you add the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce lang muna. Then haluin.
Galing mo lang dyan, ha? Hindi ko alam, ha?
Tapos idagdagan natin ngayon yung cheesy spaghetti sauce. Ayan. So, mapula-pula na siya. Parang ikaw na pag namumula ang mukha. So, dahil meron pa natira, lagyan natin ng tubig yung sachet, tapos ipagpag. Ilalog. Ano ba dapat? Hanggang sa, lagyan ng tubig hanggang sa masimot. Tapos, more pepper. Ground peppers. And then, I'll add powder pepper. And then you mix it again. There you go, guys. And then let it simmer or boil for another 5 minutes. And then now it's done. And look at this. It's so creamy and it's so delicious, guys. So all you have to do is make sure that it's consistent. So You have to mix it more. You have to let it boil first or simmer it first for a few more minutes until it becomes so creamy. Hanggang sa mag-stick yung sauce niya together until the sauce, you know, and the ingredients will
Ulitin dito, pilipit ang dila nito.
And there you go. And then this is now ready to serve. So mag-plating na tayo guys para kakain na tayo. So there you go, it's done. So I will now add the pasta. So sobrang plating lang tayo guys. Kunwari ano tayo, professional chef. Char, edit. So ayan. At least nag-try hard tayo, di ba?
Kaya nga, ikaw alam kung magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas
yung
eh.
sauce, ipapatong natin sa taas. So medyo
Bola lang yan.
bongga ako sa sauce guys. Hindi ako nagtitipid. There. Tapos syempre, lagyan natin ng cube cheese. So I don't like shredded cheese. So gusto ko yung cube cheese. Kasi para may nakakain ako, may nakakagat. So I have something to chew on. And then of course, lagyan natin yung ating garlic toast bread. And of course, ang ating parsley for garnish. And voila! My super creamy cheesy pasta or spaghetti is here. So guys, please try this at home. Continue subscribing. And thank you for watching till my next video. Bye for now.